playing with ChuChu. Hi, friends! Today, we are going to draw something special. Come on, let's start.
Okay!
Pick me! Thank you! Let's open this egg. Open. Surprise! Wow, it's a Supergirl. A Supergirl with lots of strength and power. Yay! Come on, let's draw the Supergirl. First, let's draw the Supergirl's head. Now, let's draw her dress. Now, let's draw her arms. Now, let's draw her legs and shoes. Now, let's draw her hair. Let's erase the extra line. Now, let's draw her ears. Now, let's draw her eyes. Now, let's draw her mouth. Now, let's decorate the Supergirl's dress. Now, let's decorate the Supergirl's dress with a kind and brave heart, just like the one she has inside her. Come on, now, let's color the Supergirl. girls are supergirls and that there are lots of wonderful and powerful things that they can do, like going to space in rockets, helping people feel better by becoming doctors, taking care of their families, playing and winning lots of different sports, cooking delicious and healthy meals. Girls can also do lots of brilliant things on computers. Happy Women's Day to all the women and little women. Always remember, you are supergirls. Soon with new drawings.